Following a week-long trial at Exeter Crown Court, Pain and Gain Bodybuilding Workshop owner Richard Green, aged 48, of King Edward Street, Barnstaple, was convicted of possession of MDMA, ecstasy, and cocaine with intent to supply and possession of the £56,000 as criminal property. He admitted possession of Class C steroids with intent to supply and possession of £2,300 cash which was seized from his car. His wife Georgina Green, aged 41, was found guilty of possession of steroids with intent to supply and possession of £56,000 as criminal property. The Greens were found with around £10,000 of steroids at the Pain and Gain gym, that had been sent by Mr. Olympia contestant Nathan Disha. Liverpool-based Disha, aged 33, set up the supply chain to the gym after being invited to give an all-day training seminar for its 250 members in May 2017. Police raided the converted warehouse on the Bronton Road trading estate in August and found boxes of steroids alongside £56,000 cash in a locked boiler room. Richard Green was also found with 306 ecstasy tablets in his car and 30 grams of cocaine worth £1,500 in a self-store unit near the gym. Disha pleaded guilty to being concerned in the supply of steroids before the start of the trial of the Greens at Exeter Crown Court. He will be sentenced alongside them in September after the probation service has prepared pre-sentence reports. Judge David Evans released on bail but told them on Monday, July 29, "The fact that I am adjourning sentence is not an indication of what the eventual sentences will be. All sentencing options, including immediate custody, will be open. Richard Green, in particular, must understand the most likely prospect is immediate and substantial imprisonment. Georgina Green, must also prepare for all eventualities." During a week-long trial, the jury heard that a trail of messages showed Georgina Green ordering large amounts of steroids from Disha. His address was found on the packaging and his fingerprint on one of the boxes. Police stopped Richard Green as he was returning to Barnstaple from Ilfracombe in August 2017. They found him in a lay-by, typing messages on a Dutch mobile phone with an unregistered and unable SIM card. He had two other phones in the car and a piece of paper with a list of initials and numbers. His wife had an almost identical document at her home and both added up to around £53,000, a very similar total to the amount of cash found in the boiler room. Richard Green claimed the ecstasy and cocaine were all for his own use and said the money in the boiler room came from the sale of a sound system and from his wife's sideline business making ready meals for gym customers. Georgina Green denied having any dealings with Disha other than real